How to buy Kindle books from Amazon. First, make sure you have the Kindle app downloaded on your phone. Then, from the Safari browser on your iPhone or Android, go to Amazon.com ebooks. The link redirects to the Kindle store's homepage. Make sure to save it to bookmarks or add it to the home screen for easy access in the future. Now, search for the book or ebook you want to buy on the search bar and tap on it from the search results. After that, all you have to do is this would go to the product listing, tap on the buy now with one click orange button. In any case, it says buy now for free because it is public domain ebook that cost $0. After that, the browser redirects you to payment success page, which has a magnet link button that takes you directly to the ebook. Just tap go to Kindle for iOS. But if you miss tapping on it, don't worry. Open the Kindle app on your iPhone and you will find the ebook in the library tab. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.